Hi, it's Randy. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a website in 2 minutes with only 2 questions. What is your business category and what is it called? Let's get started. Here we're on the control panel. You need an account for this, but that's easy. When you start entering your business category, it automatically chooses from the most popular business categories available, and you can select one of these or you can choose your own. I recommend you start with one of these. Next, you can call it anything you like because you're not going to need a domain name. At this stage of the game, you can call it whatever you want. Once this loads, you have title, headlines, subheads, categories, photographs, and paragraphs for your website. You can click to publish this with a subdomain, which is the name you called it, .secureserversites.net right now. You probably will want to edit your site. You will probably want to click on something and change it, but that's exactly how easy it is. You can click on a photo and choose from stock photos or add your own. You can click on a headline and edit it to change it or delete it or put in something else. You can click on a paragraph and change the words in the paragraph. It's that easy. You just simply click on anything, edit, save, and move on. That's fun. When you're ready to publish your website, you can do one of 2 things. You can use your domain or you can use mine. If you have a domain name, you can use that, and if you don't, you can buy one. The other thing is that you can simply use the name you used, Joe's Coffee Shop, or whatever you chose, .secureserversites.net. And that is what we call a subdomain, and it is totally available right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you come back and do some more and tell your friends. Thanks for watching.